The Madu Day Dikana? Gabali Dikana? The my chapatti. Huh? Gold. The chicken over there getting done. Chapatti getting done there, and that's what they call it, double size. It's a double chapatti. That's normal size. I use some. There is straight there. And my second one is over there. Put it in the back. There we are. Straight in, and that's mine. And my chicken is it's simmering at the moment, them two there. So here we are, we're back for our food again. We're back in the same place. This is where I get mine from. So Munchbox, this is where I do my wee woo. Okay? This is the best food in arguably the whole of Attica, to be completely honest. The food is exactly the same as what you get at home. And that's what your benchmark is, I'm assuming. It's succulent, it's tasty, it's halal, and it's made to perfection. He's making this. My chicken's on this side, so I think my chicken's done actually. So we'll check my chicken out. And mine's over here. So he's preparing the food for us now. And he's just that's the lege, that's the lege. And he's just adding a little bit of oil onto that now. And that's to give you that burnt look. Surely you could smell me getting burnt at the moment, so I'll move to the side. Here we are. And that smell, if only Ultra HD could give you a smell. You could smell that, it's absolutely gorgeous. And there's a little nephew getting on with it, mashallah. And like I said to you, if you're going to get food made in Pakistan, if you don't go to a pakhtun, the food isn't made cooked. It just isn't. People genuinely, the only people genuinely, I believe firmly, not because I'm a Pakistan myself, I believe their food quality is second to none. And then we were talking about kebab, weren't we? So here we are. If you're going to have a kebab made, it's got to be fired up. It's got to be with, and there's the father there, mashallah. May Allah give him a long life. He's the owner, the father, and he looks after everyone. These guys are all from Swat. And that's that fire. I'm going to ask him why, but I've got a funny feeling it's because you can raise the temperature as much as you want when you're using timber, as opposed to using gas, where gas will give you X amount of degrees and it won't get any warmer than that. So I'm assuming it's simply because the temperature, you can reach a higher temperature with this. I don't know, I'm going to ask him at some point. The baby kebab, and that, my friend, is absolutely mashallah. There he is, top man, he makes the best kebab. And I've got some chicken on order, otherwise it's a kebab for me. So this is the only place that I buy my kebabs from. He makes the best kebabs in Pakistan, honest to God he does. Absolutely amazing guy. And there you are. Check that out. I better go and see how my food getting along. My camera's boiling, I think I've cooked the camera as well.